Alright, in this video I'll explain why we're living in the computer simulation. Many people believe that Mandela effect is some kind of a parallel universe, or it was done by a time travel or CERN reactor. But all of those are not true. I think it's a computer simulation, and I'll explain why. The one of the best explanation for that is observer effect. It's called in a quantum experiment. When you're not looking at it, the electron actually wait. Oh, electrons acts like a wave, but as soon as you look at it, it acts like a particle. So that is the famous double slit experiment, which is crazy. So Einstein hated that experiment. He just didn't really like it because Einstein believed everything can be explained by a science, a logic science. So he didn't understood that experiment very well, and this is the quote he left: "I like to think the moon is there, even if I'm not looking at it." So the one of the craziest thing about observer effect is just it is exactly same as our modern video games. In the video games, we only render this from a first person perspective. In this way, it will save the computer power, a memory, and graphic card on your CPU. So here is a very large map of GTA 5. Now, if we render all these maps at once, your computer will overload the power and it will crash. So in order to do that, it will it will only you have to become only the first person in the perspective. So if you're here, it will only render this portion, not all these. Okay, the lakes, all these. It will become like, oh, shut up, shut up. So that's the exactly same as the observer effect. So that's the crazy part. If Einstein knew about the video games, he probably understood the observer effects. So why we are in the computer video game? Well, I have many reasons. I have many. I've been thinking about that, and I think it's about the natural resources. I think the real Earth is completely destroyed. This so over just over 200 years, the human civilizations just went up. Airplane, cars, all these modern technology. But if we continue to live like that, we need a 5 Earth, and you can see the UK need a 2.8 Earth. We need a lot of Earths if we continue to live like that. We completely depleted the natural resources. So that's why I think we're in the computer simulation video games. I think this year 2000 yeah. Okay, okay, I'll end the video. I'll end the video. It's just getting too boring. Thanks for watching video, guys. Bye bye.